The Philippines in the 1940s. Life After the War. Part 2. Billboard ads for movies and cigarettes. Manila, 1940s. An American instructor explains the high-speed and idle Zenith carburetor to Philippine scouts and GIs. 1947. U.S.-Philippine War Damage Commission project at the foot of Quezon Bridge. Manila, 1947. A class in public speaking at the Philippine Institute. Manila, 1946. Female operators of the University Telephone Exchange Switchboard, Philippine Railway Command. Manila, 1947. Chinese concession at the Army Post Exchange, Fort McKinley, 1946. Dewey apartments are being rebuilt for the State Department staff members and families. 1947. The State Movie Theater on Rizal Avenue, Santa Cruz, Manila, 1940s. Nippon Bazaar, Manila, 1941. Operating a panel board, aeronautical class, Philippine Institute, Manila, 1947. A truck driving past billboard advertisements in Manila, 1940s. War widows during the parade commemorating the first anniversary of the Philippine Republic. Manila, 1947. President Manuel Rojas records a speech for radio release commemorating the birth of Philippine independence. Manila, 1946. At the Philippine Institute for the Armed Forces, the instructor lectures on the use of flash bulbs. Manila, 1948. The Pirovano House is occupied by the U.S. Ambassador to the Philippines. Manila, 1946. The National Cooperative Administration float during the parade commemorating the first anniversary of the Philippine Republic. Manila, 1947. Davao Penal Colony Train, 1940s. The Snyder Hall at Camp John Hay, Baguio, 1947. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.